the Shishabia Bama microfinance for Bibri Yaji on license. Na at the same time, so Ebiswa Aka. Na na kakra anti. Eja, Ejumaninti, among for a friendly bisa na church remuntene. Na me and Shisha say meba na media betu edwa na ma church remu. Na ye bi so bi o question biswa na wetumi ebisa. Na yeso ye mwe kakra de wono na edaboa. De omu say uhwemu a microfinance kwa enindia. Se ka se microfinance a eye enhihye bia micro kitwa ade kitwa a ede boa won a ankra ni business any individual omo request no enya bibia eye adekase because ebi wa na mainstream banks no ubakwe paperwork doso and apart from paperwork no kra no chese sika no kra na okra won sem na adokwakoto bank obonso na fadie kakra wo anya sanso dia bonso na ade a woton no dwom inti se dwom se sika yi ye inti na chese unya 5 cd na ana se 10 cd mpo so microfinance fund ho a bonso mo am koran tumbeji sika no free ho inti bebre all of a sudden no age decided say oh and there's a mfaso bi be wo mu dia sorry mfanchem and mmo dia na me fa misika kakra na mfa 20 to 10 20 they will grow here but ade wo mu ni say be any jumani ye ntubo say all of a sudden no say deposits no eba so jiji sika feel bia wa e deposit I know say subisa no intanopa bia occurrence and enwumre be 3 o'clock occurrence no agi 30 40 e free in pakono ebu na o de bi ato no an account obi so ha no de bi ato adwuma no so account mu ntine chese ya bibi e hopa e no hia sika bi so a otumi e ka chon say me hia bosia kakra ebu so na ye de goose bi e free aba aye beton tibonso no so e free bi intine chese bibi bi eboa typically ni obo omo dwom any around na ye bibi a ebeboa e na mo ade bia eboa nso de se ye ni ankoho a ye ni ankoho a na ebedi niam ebe hae kakra na de omunisa along the line any who say ihihye bi wo ha ebi mu eni so na mbechechirem wo ye wo microcredit ana microfinance ebi wo ha na ni microfinance license na ye de man no ihihye ho ne se eni se ogigi amanfo esika ye wo mienu ye wo omo a ohia busia kakri be obekom ho nti omo de an se omo de omo bobusia won gigi sika mfiri amanfo ho ene omo a o microfinance no tise sususu yi omo gi sika no efiri mo ho onsa etumi ebom busia because ya mom license nti your deposit taking microfinance and there will be ene ye wo baako bi a on the deposit kra ndi an se obebo busia nti de baba de koba ne se because ye nuanom ne ye mfofo no bi wo a ye nim isusu ye da deposit taking microfinance and omombu ye credit my credit for microcredit for ntino ebi wo a na mremu no nguma bie nyina wo se esese ogigi deposit the free ho because oni hu akade oni hu license intekoba ne se wagigi nkofo sika no ebre ne beso onua ne kwa akogi ne sika no a osibobo sika yi ebi ni ho ebi okra na obehwe no kra no omo ni de obegye sika wo dwom kra no obebisa no o se ona anye dwuma ha bio me nye dwuma ho sai ni bio se nitime de hu omo nti ma bebre ni empenifo bebre won sika ekohyehyie wo saade mu na ye na Bank of Ghana ede nhyehyɛ ebae say your companies bebre bia de ekono say esese ye gi on license because ibu wa na on abo busia abro niema bi so because Bank of Ghana rules no so ojiji obo obibusia kra na nhyehyɛ ho untumi ngigi sika ni na mfa ma nipa bako busia nhyehyɛ ye wo percentage bi esese odi ma no wode ma obi wa beje busia no bebre ni so nti Bank of Ghana de akrachefo ni niema call around ni ehun se yanom ebimu wo a omo ndi ade ne so ena ebimu wo so a sika ni ho omo abuse sika no ebi kwa nde na wan wadwen se adwuma no ka me na anya bium a che se omo a file bankruptcy ena ebi wo kwa na omo insolvent na che se sika no ko bi ni okwa ko yi ko nya bi tomu yi nhyehyɛ na sana na mako 347 aya jijiji online se omo na operate bio na enkoda hono so no omo hu se ebi wo a na amanfo sika ewo omo ho inti Bank of Ghana and the share by through receiver no say obiara ufri se wodi usika bi akoto microfinance hono ko won krabata hono na ko fill forms no omo frɛ no proof of deposit POD proof of deposit potokasa no eni che eye bibia asoni bibia gina ho potense ampa odu sika akakoto sa sika krabia ho na microfinance no nti omu beji no mahwem no m dey compare records na sa company na agine license na ewo no nti so mu prove na ye right a ulusu ye because aban through Bank of Ghana no I decided say obiara o deposit ewo microfinance no fa nyina so ne bra edu sika bema nti ebe na no edwara etwa mu no start so mo gi details na de omu ni say ebi mo wa ye gigi details ntinu panifoni bi wa o ma fa kire so ka check off so yikitu ebi keke wo de nyehwe wo mu ye pe ye be adwuma ma bi mu kra ko no mo do mu sika kwa akoto back misrew once ya gine license no me fa sika bi akoto 347 na ya jom license na akache for no si ho no omo ye paperwork no me fa sika nko usika na ho na akwakoje the only time I would sika be ko no maybe odi omo ka na embre na so na akwakotua so because maybe omo bo obusia na time na so na akwakotua but enye saade a me fa sika bi ankonto obi a ya gine license every nisem because na ye double warming because Bank of Ghana rules no here no see by 30th May into du sika ko du sika na June emre bi ankova wo sika no be hye memo bi andada o say eyinde ye de yes I ye din from ya G license there ya G license there na emo ye bibi kitu ye bi omo ye wia ye sabe kan ye yin be ko obwa obi obakasa akire obi no obwa once ya G license there G license inti as long as ya G license ni there misro me fa sika bi ankoto nemo se wo sika ho dadade a ene ko akrache fo no ho na fa wodin ena nyina so bibi e chese wo sika ho no emfa ma omo omedin udwuma ma simple omedin udwuma ma simplicity omedin udwuma ma na efefe na moment fashion franco to hobby. Ebi mo mu di omu huni into omu de anje omu license into omu ha omu ye adwuma. Say deposit no mu gigi o. Say credit no mu ye omu de omu edi omu no omu ye. Na futu kakra meka to atoso ni se mesremo. Se ebribia no se udi sika kwa akoto no a nya bibie nyina so cause we akire bibi se ebi wo na onkuta nyina so bia se ne sika bi wo ebi no anis wako na damfo bi ode akoto no aji na so ya kire book bi mu wo office wo noko me ya kire book mu office na ode ko no kire we ko na book na tie inti keniki esse wo make sure say Mr. Mo we say wo na kasa wo make sure say wo records bi wo na ka normal bank ndie unso kotua pe o deposit slip now the slip na kofi na da koto but anya sanso dia Mr. Wo because nyina so bi eni ho dia osikachi enyina so bi eni ho dia osikachi inti ideally no ye make sure say no mbe ye dwuma dia ye wo enia so bi ho na me dia ka me nko dia anka micro kame mo mebo busia keke e wo microfinance for no na say me di deposit baka ko to ho dia aji eye 11222 cedi na no kra susufo no ho unso benya susufo no bi ho ombedwo ombegigi into usika be shikra wo susuru ho kra na e busum ba kope susu ayi nyina enim fie nkwala bremu no utu susu 31 days na 30 days na yo dia one day na ye onion no gigi susu no ye nyina enim ye nkwala bremu titititi inti uji utu susu no fako bank na diskana ko to bank so office 55 cedis no ena sabi untumi odoma obi na enye yiria kope susu box wo fie kwa 5 cedis busum so no bia no we yina da ko to bank na no me kire mobile money say so 5 mobile money sometimes bo abon transaction fee no bo so na ya kase sika no ka wo de kwa ko to no tibu ha ombebi sami amisi osika ne ayo so nanu misra wanana 4 cdp 5 cdp nkiti no especially taxi drivers no oh your coins bu yesusu box fa coins no gum bosumus no hwe na box no edua bueni fisika no koto bank anytime you deal with microfinance no from where I sit pa there bobusia mo omo so kwakoje 500 akoye oniema say 1000 say 2000 kwakoje omo intebe kwa wona omo na de omka wentua on omeji bibi desi ho enu mo ye more comfortable than say udi ube attractive ma udi sika kokoto because ebu ha no mo de hye bia base o ye de munteni yo ye de ye ma interest ye interest udi sika beto interest no super. The point of the matter is that adibia interest no high, unnecessarily high. Nature say risk womb, but say high risk, high returns. Just say any susun usikasemu nemo so ye dangerous. Unti aya me too attractive too. Say nsi hunu so ntimi de me kwakosho misrawo esusa no a wo bisa ho se ne so pa adna krakefo ni na mafo mpenifo yo mo fisika kwakosho adenti ne ba ka kire wo yesi ye calculation to ebi say normal fixed deposit odu sika koto a mainstream bank for 1 full year let's say 12% and I say 13% per annum and I say 14% per annum. Now buying treasury bills and so we do sika koto 1 year almost the same rate. No be able catch us say ono de owo ni de we do sika beto a yobama 6% per month. We do sika brena obama 6% per month. Na just afimu anu nyina no ubenya 72%. Na ohwe say mainstream number nyina ma 14, 15, 16, 17% for afimu nyina no. Na nkwa de obisi for sika no be no 72 bra. Wadwunu yi kakra. Esurudo because ejuma bem pa na onu onua na almost 72% o de sika na ya mfaso no bedoso a watibi ama 72% na bia ka ono so nsem tene na yesa aya yebu yeni kakra guso mi enya tisem bia sika sem de enya tisem bia unie na mini dia ha me kakra ne se obi wo ha na sika no a obi wo ha na sika no a ono de akoto sa company no mu kakaka but u swingi ade no a onu na so da baka so ohia bosia no kokoje bi o sa same place nkra no niema e beka so mfa mra no onfa collateral security mra ene fa we bia fa we bra sure. But ono de sika court toward there on kan kire sa microfinance and say meji we free ho asam me the 30,000 na mo minimum for go on 30,000 40,000 bia e bonus bi onya fi baby e bae o de akwhye ho so onim say scan esum faso no so misremu e good say e benya faso but emo unnecessarily in faso target no a high risk. A high risk. Menyo. Unless there was a cano, mono, who take a risk until the year. Why you so medical shame a shana she? Who could has attitude be there, send a risk and it is a chachano. Who do shame a shana she? A booms and a boom. So could has attitude near with the to my ear. But don't could us a kukudronu epi. Dear. Now only fall back. Dia Asempa onia obi obebele wat dia na be de dikeke na say na Bank of Ghana hwe na banya ho hwe na fa na de nkwa na be ye dia memfa sikan kwache ho in the first place. Don't risk it. Na no ene na sakra no mehu say Security Exchange Commission ye Bank of Ghana omunia baako ho no di advert bi kura aba companies bi o ha ya chron say only license the companies be bro only license am gigiska na no bi kura the hu advert bi good advert bi nema mo hu say omo de yi aba say only license. Mr. Mo, aya men follows adin. Anytime bia wo yisika e free wo ho e de akɔhye bibi mu no unless say ni pako ne onua and e hunya say obefro bi but say free say registered eyi ana say whether Security Exchange Commission ana say Bank of Ghana dia me pacho bomodia na free Bank of Ghana helpline no na bisa say microfinance from Nebisa say papa me the sika bi enfa ho sika na kase once a wo mobile phone the from me bi aba wo be bia meti kaso akire ho na nkofo bi aba ye from no abo company ni din me pacho ko betumi a kampesa mu check say omo wo krata ejina so say omutumi esa adwuma na medum sika kokosho no o me check am simple But so when the internet ni use the and the Bank of Ghana website ya list company ni na say me studio hai me kuta list ni na companies a aban a approve say fitine kono munye microfinance na wa ha e dos kakra me ntumi bodi e wa ha me 2 pages for microcredit for no and I me kuta 6 pages for microfinance for say no omo die aban sa wase Bank of Ghana approve so me to me I am microfinance. It is no one so fresh obi ba no ba begigi sika bi wo hana so or gi deposit bia no afre Bank of Ghana helpline no mo so mahwe o frɛ no ka se ya no mesrɛ wa handidi ni mo obo company di obehwe pa o se di ni ehun ya so no bakakọ argument say me frɛ se udi ni o se me nye biom o se me nye biom men chechiremu bia because wo na chechiremu hia wo ono de na no na ode ba ba be sele adena ma na o so du sika kocho e na wa take one step and wa frɛ B of G and wa inquire na so they are not approved. So all you have to do is that call so rural bank for sika koto and now say community bank and now say another microfinance ya approve. And I say the mainstream banker, yo. Because sika pen enye sika enye de keto sika pe edin. Intimi mpese obepe sika na de akomo obi no de ayidi. Na ohun abekire wo de. Itira me chechira de. They're very important. Intimi enye too attractive to it. And as hade no obi akoye na obeka kire say oh akosia yesi ade mesrewo. You free sadi anymore because me hum bebre adwuma ma yache me hum bebre ube kwana ko bisa mu no wose we na ka kire no ubisa wose so na wose misimiti wa ha ubese wose ye mitika mu na mitise nkofo bi din komo se sika wade mu as long as I would do sika kwa kwasho wode e be important say obey hu adwuma. It be important say obey steps kakra na why inquiries because why nya ube lose in the end ube lose in this say a clean banking sector here boy ade bako ye nyina so boy kakra ne say sa kanu deposit kana aba no and are buying through Bank of Ghana. Edinsa ashasi no afasa akano. Na buying so the offer minoka. Inti say minoka in the form of taxpayer. Inti ye one etua eto no every year no. Ye and ye to ni bi ne de beko akutua sa akano. Inti ono say onu na ye nyine si wo say onjiji sika na free amount for no. So to me jiji sika ni nyina free amount for no na e de bi tua kana na bi ka na je say taxpayers economy tua no eso abase kakra na yem pese me pese obeko through sa situation ni bi another time to come into no na me too free say men loke ohun bebre nkohye musa o papa de akoje busi omo no mo omun chinsu no mun na oka pede akoje busi ombo no mo nda oka dan se odu kusuka koshwa obeko no moto dan na hu omo very important na eke we share the good side of the microfinance now, especially on busiambo side now abonko bebre. But because a dwedie call fine into ebi o na wonni entity no ade ma most of the microfinance no a call serious crisis a omuntu anya wo hwe no ebi o na omuni ehun entity you see ojisika afri obi ho na se ana odisika no ekobo obi busia yewo ehun nhihye kakra ho unzoko banka soko jibusia ye fraud tracing yebisa questions sika no de ko eden aba na betua nti okay adwuma na nkasa eni tese osi o mebisa questions ati adwuma na odi sika no kwakoye na se anso no ka okay sade a ye beye LC letters of credit amount and sade a ye beye direct transfer amount and say ye beye cash against document CAD just a bank no because they would have arranged that for you normal calculating na normally microfinance for no ambobusia no nyewo nyina na wo sanim die no nti ebi wa oso pabusia o misa so de ko eden oso yin 5000 ko e wa debi oso okay ene fa ka be si wo mami ana say fa bibi be si wo mami no the 5000 amount busum no so or expect say the interest number we misa question bia because all fallback we can see one. Interbrennus no into a metia bones and why they what on cano, no their tenica, no insistent by no the amount. Indeed, it is easy. But the everybody say, Sabrinus not a can or tons the antoe. A bones are time mobile by Jibusiano, Nanko no transi. And no bizarre questions are normal stream banks a bizarre. I can maybe, just maybe, commitment to for kakra. But because we no needs are in Kitahonu, it becomes a problem. In TS, I know nature say repayment no a bad thing. Because unto Busiana, nature so new a month for no musika by Beshamunusu and san can't won't sika back. Just hand a banking tier. Obisika OPM other people's money obisika ne there beto any you decide can be their firm o mo abeje busia nti utumi betua kana busia na ye de firm no na onu so tua onua na obeje eyi won ho no na ke say merry go round nti anytime bia na o side anko no na another side is anko no nature said the omo disika ne ba na ebriso na so mbeje musika na emma ntenu no ene de serious crisis edeba no nteba ne sa no bonse ona no o oni microfinance company no because I want chira ba no people buy beje sika no na say offer another rate say oh ye de betua 7% because of pay more money to pay omo ma be jomudian because omo ma je busia no munye ntuaye na eyiba na munyina munu se na ye system tia so oko na se ya fasika na amano a obefia na obobi amane obon pako na mania because ene mi kwakọ jimi de nti sada won say friend no run obi aba kwakọ trupu ho no mo jimi sika but there's no way the microfinance no ebenye sika na mamu nyina because kai hu say ojiji musika nyina sa no won fa ngo unlock ankofie ojiji ye no ode bo busubusia nti as long as onia na oje busia no emfa man no ye nyina ko go bank ona onya sika ne man ebi ni ho nti tama ye nyina ko go no at the same time no na ka omo je busia so be go ho dia ene se no anse je obusia omo bobo obusia no ho ye ji ya na eda na ma ye ji ya na eda na ma na kisa afefefe because it is based on trust. As long as repayment from Omo Meji Busan and Tamano and Eman a bad challenge kakra. And at the continent almost so many challenging say many experience at the Bobusian. Intimia futu kakra medibama omo oni especially omo makano a futu back pen and mo make sure say mo di mo ho ebobo mainstream bank as a partner. Say be ya uno mo partner no mbetufu. Ombetufu. Ombeboa on your credit appraisal. Ombechira okwan ye bobusia. Ombechira niema ese so hwe so ko bobusia afri A ho anase B ho. Ombetumi aboa. The reason being that omo experience wo into once I normal call into partnership no. What they will do naturally is say is okay. And the from you bibra na yen train you. Until next time no call bob busia. Yes, only ba office open this kind of mano. And be bisa any questions. Ube call any fee. What should you more quack in all those and send a bay bobusia sikanen coloque. I'm for a himbus second back on his own music and so unlocking. Say yes, Anna. Nature say microfinance concept no a best survive. Because microfinance concept in say sikan kitin for support to a man forming in business kitin the customer or mumbedu no be mainstream bank. Sana did not a move. But I year it me affected the whole system. It ye best say ukutesika na so per se would the savings and I would call a depositor. No what you first step, make sure say bank no a microfinance your license no. And the second step, make sure say the license na any money no. A your license to make deposit. Because no money na deposit. Because they say it's only an young so deposit na what did we deposit that come on one atumra nyo no atumra. Ono the man be di but usika na ashi. Ti besre. So at least we'll go through the mail. Near writing. You better go to the kakra by a bar. Maybe the full line now we'll question be neja no will be sign.
Day 16th June, a Father's Day. Na Asempa FM. Jumadi Sonkokra dia she Janumu nyina ni munyam. Asempa FM Father's Day Fanfare 2019. Mama ya nyina ntwe show multimedia ni ma. Kokomlemle kwasi day. Ye this Father's Day we special kura. Die na ma wo papa ya sonko. Die na ma wo pena sem. Record video sima 1 minute. Naka no video ni mo fa ko WhatsApp line we so 0248286324 sisia. Niema ni kanika wo do pi ni abaya ni papa ni mo gie ni. Asempa FM Father's Day Fanfare. We are doing some running bomupa. For Hobashan some running competition. And you eating, singing, and dancing competition. Bekoso. I'm wrestling. Just a pee. Achadian Sudie. Baby. And Nika Samni say, have a free health screening. Amo Bia. Why never a man of the day? Sharp upon Munyamuati. Bekayan. Asempa FM Father's Day Fanfare 2019. Kayo, what's your day? 16th June. One multimedia car park Kokomlemle. Are you don't crony a chassis question numerous? I am free. Numakura Soyastene. Proxstar 60. Las Palmas Food Center. Darren Lemon alcoholic drink. Access in restaurants. Adon Kwataju Ginger. COVID Tiger Nut Powder. A Bensu. And a fried talk.
Nkwetebo dwumadi na wasugusa wuti sa mreme bi mi telephone line no telephone line no 030 2216545 0302 216 545 and now says 0302 216 546 and now say ubetumia yeah say we Facebook live a Asempa 94.7 FM into uko Facebook live Asempa 94.7 on also with my old question about my hello
good morning.
Morning.
What's up, man?
Ejadum.
See my program radio station and I may contribute to one of the microfinance who have not paid. Hello?
Yeah, me too.
And you want but the board of his mama in Seneca, but in Canada, your friend more mostly pretty IO digital yɛmfa yɛn ID card na bibi nka sɛnka ne de ɔmo tumi sama yɛn bi na mefrɛ bi sɛ how can I
yɛfrɛ company ne sɛ
baabi a meyɛ wei ne deɛ microfinance wɔ
nationwide na ɔkɔ hɔ na ɔmo se ayɛ
yɛkɔ head office hɔ na ɔmo ama yɛn sika no bi but nkae na aka na ɔmo se yɛfrɛ ɔmo na ɔse company bi ɔfa no ayɛ bibi ɔmo se sisi ade ɔmo ntu pɛ sika ne ma yɛn mi agye sɛ yɛba hɔ na yɛde ID card na yɛbɛfɛle forms bi
proof ɔmo yɛ proof of debt nti lower radio no kakra lower radio proof of debt nti ade a kyerɛ sɛ usika wɔ hɔ no fa ID card na fa nyinaso no fa kɔ hɔ na ɔmo fill forms no wi a ɔmo sa bɛka usika
okay that
menas right bye hello mi pacho obetumi a frɛ wɔ 0302 216 545 and that's 0302 216 546. Hello. But you know. Okay, 0302 216 545 and now says 0302 216. Hello. But you man is krami.
But you Bernard.
Yeah.
But you young guy. Person, let's start business. Now, it's no extra into me, elements started.
And the business episode starting. O de unu obi ko edwuma kakra na nya experience na nya sika kakra fi oni anu so and san wa start nya by force e start business. Ye bibi kakra ye edwuma ma obi kakra na nya experience na nya sika kakra free and san wa start. Why?
Oh, well, naturally, the year is a contest, but when to me, it is answer. Now, my dear, it's a matter for some years. That's gonna make better. This business.
Business be out by business. Oh, who him there? Business na person. Oh, who him there? What's it? Wo hunim dia first and foremost unim omo akwakoton ade na mom customers no na unim bi akwakoto niam na free so unim tu na just wo betumi start with small money because menya wadwen so koje bosia e dey be start business no enye ye with small savings no na wano wo de be wakopo bi cho say okay free me kakra na menye kakra no that's what you should start with men ko start with bosia. We started with Bosia na time. Inti whether you third you and third you go to Bosia nika. Inti be young ones na started you na be am to mu say men ko start business na with Bosia. We started with Bosia with Tibe Pile. Started with wow savings kakra na wow no a odo man ko for free ade kakra na fa start. E ko enim kakra asma de Bosia bem. Why? Yo. Hello. Yeah, but you yes, one but join you.
Me pacho me de esta me Asempa member wa you say
yo yo
me pacho micro savings fi bi abegigi kawa ya ama omo de me gina no maka this year so me na Asem ko ana me chiri ma che so bit me aboa me
your fair company is saying
asase no the A+ insurance doing a buy. O 2 months later, now say, at a branch for our friend, first it is a microcredit. Can any the Raymond, minimum by an ministry. By A+, the man quatrame or head office, Emma me home penning for any and Jinanka means through. But change your card, actually, by 2-3 months in your friend now on my discount, you the awarded general okay. The core A+ is almost on a few more crack what in it into one crown natural.
Oh,
my maintaining come off with Diana Diameka.
Na Bank of Mintumi who me come na me check me paperwork no. Bank of Ghana list no me person check it so omudin kra no who say dina kasa then the need no the
yeah they na watching as a first citizen microcredit
need the kasa first citizen
but just the A+ no they buy and they are not there still in existence no so how much is no if you want to
because even first citizen cry e din cry nim you need to register and employer because their Bank of Ghana do ajijo license cry ni din ni onum no ni din nim cry na because listening now ha and the Bank of Ghana cry aka say ajijo license na o deposit ka no say ni din omu a ka metro say obeko receiver no Price Waterhouse Coopers ka metro ho mwako follow but won din kra nim na ankantamo ho
na je say kana yara na yara
and tell say we report my police na ye hwehwe Raymond Krono na ye chi no
that mate
very nice hello ayo me pacho ubetumi afre was 0302 216 545 and I say 0302 216 546 and I say a Facebook live in Swap. We know a Asempa 94.7 FM. No afao. Yeah. Hello.
Hello, Medindi Mubarak.
Mubarak you.
Yeah. If I show fixed deposit your bank bridge capital that was last year. And year we like time is somewhere. But almost send this kind of money by interest net that's no and count it means could be someone I say.
The woman say interest do na beach capital the bema no. And yes sir na obenya because almost drop all the interest because beach capital na interest near high. And almost take you over no almost drop interest no. Until unya the same interest na unya no. What you say?
But many interest.
Ubenya interest, yes. Ubenya interest.
Okay.
To wait mark office no could be sir. Right.
You.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
We join you.
You're from the Parkway, make us a female.
You Parkway you.
Yo, boy, Basnet, my power, your ma, or my Ghana.
Amen.
Yo, Miss DM Bank. Miss no insurance policy. The fees of Munya case, no. My message, I may call almost yet. I won't check my name yet, so I know taking a chance. But then I'm mentioning it.
By that's what you.
I'm a message in the Bible, so I'm not stopping me. Call on Mamuzu, a Juma by ABR system now. I head down as I 40 in terms of no more along feedback. And yeah, you are a constant mineral result already. But the book was a make contact and walk on trouble more you. I don't count. The other says, say no. First thing is see attitude there, Momunya out it. Into cost say, Omotu direct there, Momunya out it. Now, for Yemfa Quambisu, na agencies can hono. So free said, O corner and more pepper be idea. And the first thing is so you say, in out it because Mammy Moya, Edna Dibiko Kahun. So far, no, you can't make us a good mono. I was say over 400 Ghana. And she can't never win with 1,002. I'm not much 400. And the 400 nurse and Mr. Domo, the nurse, and the Ashimana. That be
Ostopon moi. Not just say a waffle can be say open 400 no Omatino. But then more just next month, no munti 600 nakan, Omunti.
Policy no money, and so more can is after 3 years, the funds are bit me some percentage view with the next idea. If I stop paying the Bosome, Motina, and not the Armenia.
That be policy be any sir, and a kind because a savings into say you
funeral policy.
You don't lose. Why a policy funeral policy into you are contributing for future. Say BBC Mbwa. Say Ebreno because adequate definitions Ebrena and so. Nasa same to still necessary mutia.
I know they almost so much. Your name was a bass almost of it. Yeah,
Usika Ben Ashi.
After my game for Katiana. That been there and they me need details no papa nti.
And then part of you on your one next week, metro the abroad no go through.
You, Elasi. All right. Obetuma, hello. Obetuma friend or 030. Hello.
Hello.
Pacho, why new?
Pacho, good morning.
Morning. Pacho, my honest why?
Because we say we say AGT. Pacho, obetuma find you listen.
Your friend is saying.
AGT, African Guarantee Trust.
African Guarantee Trust. Yeah. Africa Guarantee Trust. Me who? Baby anyway. Baby anyway. Why?
Because one so you take a CV with the woman, but the ban is so many problem. If you call say you could use the can call Pacho more head office. But so in some no coupon in some kind of speaker. It's not missing I can call making statements or police station. And it's near call here. So I almost told me young combine signs, you know.
One money your cobra. A police phone and say a company.
Company. No more after almost
Hello. Oh.
Hello, Pacho, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho, me mami save your Unicredit. Fixed deposit. May 4 months in a year, because I could use car. Almost a year into use car. If me person me bisa me who kwaya me faswa yen sabe kan scan.
Oh, Bomodian bra call Unicredit come head office because Unicredit dey on count. Unicredit savings and loans dey on count. Bomodian am dey normal be. Inti Bomodian Unicredit savings and loans there. It's still operating.
By 4 months in a could be almost say I abandoned almost had to company into yen car.
Oh.
You pay scan so I there.
Infa branch na call
Pacho Kaneshi branch.
Head office one na come head office why? Call head office one because I need be my excuse by head office for details thing for head office na call inquire why? Hello. Yo, Pacho, wait me a friend was 0302 216. Mamfa calling. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Pacho, good morning.
Morning.
Yeah. Pacho, na me pese me friend Pacho Asempa ni.
Aye.
Yeah. Pacho na me friend I find out micro finance company with impact microfinance service and loan. Pacho mo kalist na mo reject mo na. Impact,
you're from Impact Microfinance Company.
They
allow. You're correct.
Correct.
But current list. You're correct. Why?
Okay. But
okay. Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Bojo, Kakam President in this as me mami if now or not our checks or la community bank.
Okay.
Now, Bojo need this as let's know your Bibiana.
Aye. Ube here a letters of administration. Just a muna sabi abrano we no unkofo yi omosi wo se omum pesi ni nema. Nti unya sa letter no na they call la community bank no. What do you call la community bank no? Na immediately no omesoto out and because without letters of administration to me nyefe. To bo modern mon koye letters of administration first. Say meet my for be 1 or 2 calls be. Meet my for 0 hello.
Hello.
Pajama ni.
Pacho Atiani.
Epia kasa ma on this why?
Yeah, me Pacho the next thing be say about banking it's about mobile money, MTN. Your service. More service be on my it's like contribution for your health. say yes or make it to some kind of transit schedule phone so for different numbers on a matter. But over hospital now from in case of we are now calling they should you want to claim it they ask you to bring your ID card with so will be aware second customer for ID card and bra office and something with me claim.
Bra and no tie. Say almost no because they have the details. Because we register number no into more details. And obe claimia so man yi bibia fina so obi sebi obi share o kwanse no gi phone no efru se no ka se yeme tuama no we pra na just can be wrong hand into mo pay ID card no into no there.
But at first no say oh yeah on can't say you should come with almost you can claim it on your same phone. It's evidence bro evidence say won e dey ma no. So, because they say na man for we man for number, man for agent chip because she'll be a day. When I finish credit, nothing is can I hear. Into a safer ID card by no answer the book ID card nearest. My medical or catch and say a man from a hospital report and make a hospital report. Most of the doctor did not sign.
So, insurance claims, honey, no, because what if say obwa? Menkasa obo, but what if say obwa? Into say onya doctors a day just sampa. Me yare me ko hospital doctor sanction say then they will give you the money but when your doctor sign there one answer when your doctor sign there there's no way on bema osikano what I say there's no way my doctor then sign sampana pass to hospital go back to the hospital let the doctor sign go back and then get omodo musika bema sana insurance tie when your evidence omonyo because o champion go back say omoku test can be the wrong hand say me na so hana me dimu besi dasande ye beba na ye no mo abedi nkuta ho we na person friends so about my friend 0263 009 330 we have voice note na me ba me ho dasande ba beto so